Hello, ladies. So now we're going to talk about what you do once you get your kit. So that big pink box came. There's all kinds of fun stuff in it. So this is what it looks like inside. One half has all the mild stuff in it. So you have our best-selling Coochie, Kiss Body Spray, Body Dew, Body Boost, our Cocoa Glow, Afterglow Shimmer. In the Flirt scent, you have Truly Sexy Flirt Perfume and a roller ball, the Basic Instinct roller ball, Miracle Oil, Bosom Buddy and Pina Colada, our Legend Men's Spray, the Serenity Massage Lotion, and then over here you have Just Like Me. These are all the lubricant side. This is our Just Like Me lubricant, Sensations, and the cotton candy, Great Head, whipped cream edible lubricant. And you want to be sure you look at the top part here because you're going to have your catalogs, your square reader, the compensation guide, your party guide, and then tons of foil packet samples that you can use for prizes. And to demo some additional items that aren't in your kit are there in foil packets, so you can use those foil packets for your first few parties. And they're great for hostess packets and stuff like that. So there's the mild part.
You're also going to find in the top of that the charger for one of your rechargeable toys, the opening act, which is going to be right here. You're going to have your rendezvous, which is actually going to be 3 different parts right here, which you're going to be able to attach. Your hand jive and one of the hot heart massagers are going to be in here as well. So that's what will be everything in your standard kit. If you have deluxe kit, you're going to have some extra rechargeable toys as well. So once you've opened up your box, make sure that everything is there, everything, there's no leaks or anything like that. If you ever do have an issue, our corporate office is amazing, so you can call them and just let them know if any problems are going to be. If you did order the Inventory Advantage program, or if you are waiting on it to come, you can put labels on your products. You can order them through the COO or rotech.com. You can get some labels to be able to print on the backs of your inventory. That is going to be key for when people have reorders. They're able to just look at that and think of you and know to get there. And then also you want to, any of your paper products, you want to make sure that you have stamped them. You can get a stamp again through Vistaprint, through the COO, making sure you put your phone number and email address and website on all of your paper products that are going out to your customers.
If you have a local Office Depot, you are able to go in and get those stampers made like in under an hour. They'll make it right there on site. So that's really key, like first getting started and your stuff first comes in. You don't want to wait for something to ship in. It's nice when you can go to Office Store and they can make it right then and there. So many of the office stores make the stampers right there.
And you can print your own labels to put on your catalogs. They're going to look a lot more professional than if you hand write your information on there. So you want to make sure that you're assembling hostess packets and sponsoring packets, watching parties online. You can YouTube videos. You can go to Destination Success. You can watch
I suggest
ours.
Watching the videos in the back office. You don't know the quality or who you're really watching all the time on YouTube. So some of the stuff's good on YouTube, but some of it's garbage. So maybe ask your sponsor if you do want to look at YouTube, if that's easier for you, who are some good people to watch or some good videos to watch.
Absolutely. And then we have lap boards you can make. You don't have to use lap boards at first. A lot of times at my parties, I just give a catalog and a pen. But the lap boards do look professional. You can make wish lists, put them on there with a little catalog. These are little mini ones that I have. And then you can also buy these ones. They're a little bit more pricey, but they are very nice and professional. You can put your pen here. You can put some information on the business, maybe some kit sales on there. You can put a wish list. You can put the envelope for the envelope game, a catalog in there, and a business card. So those are 2 different lap boards you can use.
Awesome. You also want to be sure that you're setting up yourself. So you get the party guide, but you can also print cue cards from the COO. As you're watching the videos, you can write out just on a regular index card, make your own cue cards, and note down what you want to say about the products in order of the products that you're going to show. And don't feel like you have to show every single thing that comes in your kit. That can be a lot for a new person. Just show a couple things out of each category. Especially if you got the Deluxe or Deluxe Plus kit, you have a lot of stuff in there. So you can ask your sponsor, like, what are the best things? Like, you don't necessarily have to show the rendezvous if you have a double feature. So, or another C-ring if you ordered something else to show, you're only going to show one C-ring. And obviously not a battery operated thing if you have more rechargeable things. So just learn about the products that you have and that you're going to present.
You want to continue building your list of names. You started with that original 100 list, but you always want to be adding to it. Names are going to pop in. You're going to run into someone. Make sure you're adding them to your list, letting everybody you know about your business. It can be people at the post office, the bank teller, your neighbors, PTA moms, coworkers, present coworkers, your husband's coworkers, relatives, waitresses, basically everyone you run across with, any woman that is 18 and up, you're going to want to talk to them about your business. And then you want to be coaching your hostess, keeping her very excited about the party. This is why we want your parties to be within your first 30 days. You don't want to book a party for June if it's January. If you're in January, you want those parties to be in January or February. So keep those parties in close because it's going to be less time to keep them excited about their business.
You also want to keep your guests excited too. So you want to set up a Facebook event where you are the hostess and you just invite the hostess to it that's inviting her friends, so that you have control over it so she can't go in and delete it. But you can post stuff every day about products and information and share your excitement, get people excited about the party. Maybe if they're not attending the party, they're still going to learn about products. You can post that flipbook link. You can ask us for ideas of things to post to the events, but keeping the guests excited and sending her things to send out to the guests is really key to keep them excited. So you want to help her how to coach the guests as well and let them know what to expect and to get excited for the party.
Then you want to be holding your launch party and you want to be, calling your sponsor after your first party. We love hearing the excitement from you about your party. We love hearing what went right, if anything went wrong, what you would do better, what went amazing. We want to hear everything. That is one of the best parts about being a sponsor, is hearing your new girls excited. So reach out to us after your party. A lot of us are up late anyways because a lot of us are partying late at night. So we want to hear from you about your party. And then keeping in touch with your sponsor. Your sponsor is there to help and support you, but we are not here to babysit you, so we're not going to message you every single day to make sure you're working your business. You're responsible for working your business and getting it growing, and we are here to support you. So if you need help, reach out to your sponsor. Reach out on the Sunshine Diva group to ask questions. We are all here to help you.
And always try to check in after your parties. We call it party diaries, and let us know, how did the sales go? What do you think you could do better? What were your best sellers? Did you book parties? Did you talk to anybody about the business? All these things are really great, and it helps inspire the other ladies, and it helps us help you, help you improve for future. So, and we just like to cheer you on. So not just your sponsor, but the whole team can help celebrate your successes with Pure Romance.
As you keep going, we do want to remind you to continue to try to aim to at least get 2 parties a week until you get a rhythm and see how many parties are going to fit your schedule. That is a great standard to set, so you'll know if you want to do a little bit more or a little bit less. Typically speaking, in this business, we love parties. We get excited for our parties, so you always want more parties, but that's kind of a good guide to go with. And just keep doing that. Now you want to make sure that you are sharing the opportunity with everyone you meet, talking to them about this amazing business opportunity, how it can be fun and rewarding. And you want to make sure that you're talking to new potential consultants from each and every party. So you want to make sure you're handing out at least 3 sponsoring packets at every party, because that's really going to get people excited and interested in joining you in this amazing adventure.
And the next video is going to be all about sponsoring. So tune in next for the last video